Good morning. Today, one of the activities that we have scheduled is making our popping trail mix. This is a great fun activity. It helps your students with following directions. It gives them some measurement, some wait time, some social skills, but also just some fun time with you in the kitchen, learning when they don't realize they're learning. So if you completed this activity, you got a recipe card that told you what ingredients to get. And then each step, really fun thing to do with your student as you're doing this is as you point to each ingredient, have them go get that ingredient for you. Even if you're just showing them two things, here's the popcorn, here's the banana chips. We need to put the popcorn in the microwave. Where's the popcorn? And have them show you the popcorn and get it for you. Of course, you can put it in the microwave for them, but as you're pushing the buttons on the microwave, tell them the directions say we're going to microwave for 2 to 4 minutes. So what number is between 2 and 4? And have them show that to you. If they're using a communication device, this is a great time to incorporate some of that in there. Okay, so then as they're going through, you're following the directions and reading it and showing them that visual support that's here and letting them measure and put the ingredients together. So if it says, put the popcorn into the bowl, they can then put the popcorn in the bowl. Get your popcorn, find the bowl, let's pour it in together and doing that step together. When you're all done, you have a recipe review. This is their opportunity to engage with you about what did they think? Was the recipe great? Did I like it? Did I not like it? This is where we're encouraging some more of that verbal communication or your communication device. I would recommend that where it says reviewed by, have them put their name there and get that practice of writing their name on their paper every day. What was in it in your card had the little pictures that you could cut out and glue there. It's a great activity. I like to use the purple glue so that it has the little purple glue spot so they know where to glue. And then it doesn't matter what order it is. They're just reviewing what things did I have and reminding them what's in the recipe. Same here. How did it taste? Was it yummy? Was it okay? Was it yucky? Get really visual with that for some of our younger learners. Was it yummy? Ugh, it was yucky. And have them make that selection. Even our nonverbal students are pointing to a selection. If you notice, I'm pointing with that isolated pointer finger and my other fingers are curled under. It's really important. A lot of my younger students like to point like this. I want to isolate that finger and I want to curl. That's going to help us when we start to write. I need to be able to curl those fingers underneath and work with that pointer. So you're going to go through all the way through and evaluate, was this a healthy snack? Was it easy to make? And did I like it? Okay, you're going to do that with your student. The next activity that it has is sequencing. And a lot of us think of sequencing and we think of reading comprehension or history timelines. Sequencing happens in everyday life. And what do we do first? What do we do next? What do we do last? These are the skills that they're going to get when they're writing stories, when they're reading stories, and comprehension. But a really fun way to work on them is using this popping trail mix recipe. And it's great to have that recipe card for them to remember. So what we're going to do is we have, and see, I've pre-taped mine, but in the classroom, I like to, again, use that purple glue stick, have them help me put a purple glue line. All right, we're looking at what number comes first. Number 1. What did we do first? The first thing we did was put the popcorn in the bowl. Show me the one that says the popcorn was in the bowl. And you can bring back that recipe card and say, let's look. It said, number 1, put the popcorn into the microwave. Popcorn into the microwave. Okay. Oh, that is the microwave. So then what happened next? What happened next? Number 2, After 1 comes the number 2. Microwave for 2 to 4 minutes. We've got the microwave and we set the timer. So then I would give them 2 or 3 choices and say, show me the one with the microwave for 2 to 4 minutes, and have them make that selection. We're building up to where eventually you could have all choices there for them, but I really like to start with some of my younger students. We can start with 2 or 3. You can even start with just 1 on the table, and the idea is the student is learning when you ask a question, you want them to pick it up, and then we're going to put it right onto our chart. And see, mine is in the box and it's even. That's because I'm an adult. If your student gets theirs and it looks like this, don't correct it. That's their work. Let them be proud of the fact that they got it, and some of it is in the box. What happened first? What happened next? After number 2 comes number 3. Let's go back at our recipe card. Number 3 says listen. Listen to the popcorn pop. What do we listen with? We listen with our ears. We listen. So then you're going to want to find that one and put it on. You're going to go through all of those steps until they have completed the recipe card. Okay? And then when you're done, just snap a picture and send it to your teacher, and maybe even a picture of them enjoying their popcorn snack so that we can see what a great time they had. Thanks for doing this direction following experiment with us. Cooking with your students is a wonderful opportunity to increase communication and to just get something fun for them to do where they're learning and they don't even realize. Have a great day.